It's Monday, November 23rd, 2020. Here we are in the last full week of November. It seems like this year has been a time warp, both getting here very quickly and being the longest year that I can remember. We have 2.5 weeks until the last day of classes, and then final exams, and then hopefully a well-deserved break for all of us. Over this next week, 2 important events that I want to draw your attention to. First of all, on Thursday, November 26th, from 6 to 8:30 p.m., the Women's Centre of Calgary is hosting Her Stories in Anti-Racism and Decolonial Organizing. This event features Elder Grandmother Doreen Spence and Marva Ferguson, a faculty professor in our social work program. And secondly, this Saturday, the Ecotourism and Outdoor Leadership students in the Bachelor of Health and Physical Education are hosting their annual ETOL Film Night. This event is entirely virtual this year, online. You can watch it from the convenience of your phone, your laptop, and stream to your home. Tickets are regular price $5. We've been talking about our normal Dean's get-together, a Dean's Christmas party, and obviously we're not going to be able to host that in the Dean's office this year. I haven't come up with something to replace it, but one of the chairs, it was Yasmin, suggested, hey, why don't we invite people to come to ETOL Film Night? So I am formally inviting all members of Health Community Education to come and attend the ETOL Film Night this Saturday. And you can attend for free. All you need to do is email hce@mtroyal.ca and we'll provide you with the link that you'll need to be able to attend the event. The photo contest is from 6:30 to 7 p.m. and the presentation of the films begins at 7 p.m. It's expected to take about 2 hours or so. It's an amazing event live. The energy that these students provide is over the top, and the quality of the films is amazing. This year, being virtual and online, gives everybody the opportunity to enjoy it from the comfort of your own home. So I hope you would attend. Please feel free. It's a great example of the high impact learning that we do in our faculty. In this case, it highlights experiential activities, outdoors, physical activities that are involved, the international experiences that our students do. It really is a great example of some of the amazing things our students are doing. I look forward to seeing you possibly Thursday at Her Stories and possibly Saturday at ETOL Film Night. Have a great week, everyone.